Did you know mRNA vaccine research has been around for decades? By 2005, scientists had figured out how to make synthetic mRNA safe for injection. mRNA has successfully treated rabies, Zika, and many more viruses. Over time, research has accelerated to where we are today, with the success of mRNA vaccines in stopping the spread of COVID-19. So how do they work? Basically, they teach your cells how to make a protein that will trigger an immune response, causing your body to make antibodies. These antibodies help you fight the infection if the real virus enters your body in the future. This step takes up to 2 weeks, but once it's complete, your immune system is ready for the next time the protein is encountered. The antibodies spread throughout the body, ready to combat the protein right away. By teaching our bodies how to fight COVID-19, we are arming ourselves with a winning strategy.